Hi guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates of new videos from Swati Life and Style. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review cum swatch video of my top 5 favorite faces nail paints. I love them and I hope you will also like these shades. So let's get started. The quality of these nail paints are really good. They are toluene, DBP, camphor and formaldehyde free. They don't lose their shine for 5 to 6 days and are quite long lasting. Although they do chip from the edges, but that's because I do regular household work, otherwise they stay put for long. The application is really smooth and dries very fast. Just 2 coats are enough to get the perfect opaque coverage. These nail paints are available in 25 different shades and they retail for Rs 109 for 8 ml of product. So the first one is Rustini, shade number 60. It's true to its name and it's an orangey rust color, very bright, and I absolutely love this one. I think it would look great on fair to medium complexions. My pick number 2 is Need Sunglasses, shade number 16. It's a bronzy mauve kind of shade with high shine. Hope that makes sense. The third one is Floral Green, shade number 56. It's a mauve nude type of color, great for daily wear and suits all skin tones. My fourth pick is Plum, shade number 207. It's a brownish color and this one is also great for daily wear. This shade works well for all complexions. And the last one is Watermelon, shade number 52. It's bright red color and to be more precise, it's actually watermelon color. This particular red looks great on fair to medium skin tones. So guys, that's it for this video. All the links are given in the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Also do give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye.